In just a few clicks, you'll be able to make as much as $2 every few minutes. In this video, I'm revealing a free app that pays you instantly for clicking on and reading emails in your free time. Yes, it's that simple. And no, you don't need to work your butt off just to achieve the same results. This app works anywhere in the world and anyone is welcome to join in on the fun, so don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity. There is one common mistake though that many users have made. If that worries you, then don't fret because I'll show you how to get away with it. Want to start earning right now? Then stick around until the end. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. The first thing you should do is own an email address. I'm not talking about just an email address that you have, but a fully functioning one that you may be actively using. If you happen to be watching this and don't actually have an email address yourself, it's never too late to create one from scratch. Whether you already have one or not, you can use Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or any other email service just to get things started. To do this, you're going to need to type in the links to any of those platforms on your PC web browser. If you're watching this from your smartphone, you can easily find mobile email apps associated with any of the services mentioned. Registering for a Gmail account is very easy. In the Gmail website or app, you can fill in your first and last name, create a unique username and password, confirm the same password, and click on Next. That's all there is to it. With your freshly made email address in hand, you're ready to get paid by simply clicking on emails. Now that you've taken the first step in the right direction, let's move on to the next step, and that is to go over to this website over here. I won't spoil the surprise just yet, so I'm going to reveal the name of the website in a bit. As you can see from this list, these users are from a mishmash of countries such as Brazil, Vietnam, Tunisia, Algeria, Russia, India, the US, and more. Although they're from different countries, they all have one thing in common. They're all getting paid instantly. From what I've discovered, there is a common mistake that most users make when trying to make money from this website. And that is they don't pay close attention to an important secret message the platform is trying to tell them to do. The name of the website you'll be using to make money by clicking on emails is clicksgenie.com. With Clicks Genie, you can earn up to 42 cents per email clicked, making it an easy and efficient way to generate multiple streams of income. The interface is quite user-friendly, so if you're navigating through the platform for the first time, you won't have to struggle that much. Not only does Clicks Genie allow you to earn per email click, but it also includes multi-level referral commissions, making it possible to create a steady income stream. It's 100% secure with a two-factor authentication and transparent, allowing you to track and verify your earnings in real time through your dashboard. Lastly, Clicks Genie is fast and mobile-friendly. So whether you're on the phone or not, you can always find a way to earn from interacting with emails in a heartbeat. Clicks Genie is totally free, and with nearly 10,000 users as of the time this video was uploaded, you're surely never alone on the journey to generate some extra cash. Now at this stage, you may be wondering which payment method works with this website. I can assure you that you'll be guaranteed real cash. But as of right now, we're not entirely certain that this works with PayPal. However, we do know that you can connect your Clicks Genie account with crypto platforms such as Payeer and Bitcoin, as well as Perfect Money. If you want to check out our other easy money-making strategies that allow you to get paid through PayPal, you can definitely do just that with our PayPal playlist right here, as well as our other previous videos over at The Money Hustle. And if you want to keep updated with the new and fresh ways to get paid online, then you should subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Now that we have a clear understanding of how Clicks Genie works, let's make a new account for this website. Just like with creating a new email address, the process of creating an account on clicksgenie.com is relatively simple. Start by clicking on the register button here and fill in the required information including your unique username, email address, and password. Be sure to accept their terms of service and privacy policy and choose whether or not you would like to receive marketing communications. As soon as you click on this blue button here, you will receive a confirmation email that contains an activation link. You know those social media platforms that send you something like this, asking you to verify if it's really associated with your email? That's exactly what it is. You must click on this link as a way to activate and legitimize your Clicks Genie account. Once done, you will be directed to the login page where you must also complete a verification process by solving puzzles and proving you're not a robot. And just like that, you can freely access and explore the rest of your dashboard here in Clicks Genie. This is the place where you can track your earnings as well as withdraw those earnings to your wallet. This can be done instantly by clicking the withdraw button here. If you want to boost your income stream through Clicks Genie, you can also take advantage of its referral program, as previously mentioned. You can share your referral link with friends and earn a commission when they register and start earning on the platform if you prefer. But that's definitely up to you. If that's not what you're looking for right now, you can always come back to it anytime. I know you guys are probably looking forward to earning money right away by clicking on emails, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, I've warned you early on in the video to avoid this cardinal mistake that many Clicks Genie users have made in the past. I'm going to show you exactly that so new users like you can get away from it as cleverly as possible. The mistake goes like this. The user registers and activates their account, but they don't start earning because they forget to check their email address. How do you rectify this? You'll need to check your email inbox very carefully. See this? Not only will you receive a confirmation link, but you'll also get a second email from Clicks Genie titled Important. Welcome to Clicks Genie. Must read. Yep, that's definitely something that many users have not paid attention to. This specific message gives you this important instruction that you must follow in order to get paid. You just need to add Clicks Genie to your email contact list. We may do exactly as this email tells you to do, but in this case, it's going to look very different. However, there's a workaround to make sure you receive emails from Clicks Genie and start earning. A good alternative to this is for you to click on Google Apps icon here, represented by 9 little squares. From there, choose Contacts, which will lead you to the Google Contacts page. The next thing you should do is go over and click on the Create Contact button, where you can add the email address to Clicks Genie to your contacts list. To easily keep track of that email, you may set Clicks Genie as the name for the new contact. Press save, and in just a matter of seconds, you'll finally be able to receive emails sent by the Clicks Genie platform. It's worth noting that these emails will contain ads and you will get paid for clicking on them through ad revenue. Not only will you get your money's worth, the advertisers will also receive a share of earnings, so there's always something for everyone. Now that you followed the instructions to a T and are set to click on all the future emails sent by Clicks Genie, you'll be confident to know that your earnings will surely grow from zero to a few dollars in such a short time. If you can, you may also choose to make extra money by referring friends to Clicks Genie using your referral link. See? The possibilities of generating a steady extra income stream through one platform are limitless. So if you learned something valuable from this brilliant strategy, let me know by hitting the thumbs up icon for this video. You can also comment down below where you live as well as which payment method you prefer, be it PayPal, crypto, or even your bank account. And as always, there are more clever money-making methods on the way over at The Money Hustle. So make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.